$1 million look for less. Yes, it's possible. Imagine stepping out every day, feeling like $1 million without actually spending a fortune. It's not just a dream, it's a reality that anyone can achieve with the right approach. Have you ever seen someone who just oozes style? They seem to have an effortless grace, a certain je ne sais quoi that makes heads turn. It's as if they were born with an innate sense of fashion. They look polished and expensive. Every piece of clothing, every accessory seems meticulously chosen to create a cohesive, stunning look. But what if I told you that this level of sophistication doesn't necessarily come with a hefty price tag? You might think they must spend a fortune on clothes. High-end brands, designer labels, and exclusive boutiques might come to mind. However, the truth is far more accessible and exciting. But here's a secret. You don't need a celebrity budget to look amazing. The key lies in knowing where to shop, how to mix and match, and understanding the value of timeless pieces. Thrift stores, sales, and even your own closet can be treasure troves of stylish finds. Achieving $1 million look is totally possible, even on a budget. It's about being creative and resourceful. Think of it as a fun challenge rather than a limitation. With a bit of effort and a keen eye, you can curate a wardrobe that rivals any fashionistas. It's all about making smart choices and understanding the tricks of the trade. For instance, investing in classic pieces that never go out of style can save you money in the long run. Accessories can transform an outfit, and knowing how to layer can add depth and interest to your look. So, next time you admire someone's style, remember that you too can achieve that $1 million look without breaking the bank. It's all within your reach. Debunking the myth. Expensive doesn't always mean stylish. Many people believe that the higher the price tag, the better the style. But this is far from the truth. Style is not something that can be bought. It is something that is cultivated and developed over time. There's a common misconception that luxury fashion equals good style. This simply isn't true. While luxury brands often use high-quality materials and craftsmanship, this doesn't automatically translate to a stylish look. Style is more about how you wear something than what you wear. Throwing money at designer labels won't automatically make you look great. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that a high price tag guarantees a fashionable appearance. However, true style comes from understanding your body, knowing what works for you, and having the confidence to express yourself. True style is about creating a cohesive and flattering look, regardless of the price tag. It's about mixing and matching pieces in a way that complements your personality and body type. You don't need to spend a fortune to look good, you just need to be smart about your choices. You can find amazing pieces at every price point. From thrift stores to high street brands, there are stylish options available for every budget. The key is to be open-minded and willing to explore different places to find those hidden gems. It's about knowing where to look and how to put them together. Creativity plays a huge role in fashion. Sometimes the most stylish outfits come from the most unexpected places. It's all about how you style them and make them your own. So don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with fashion. Remember, style is personal and unique to each individual. The power of perception. It's all about the illusion. The key to looking expensive on a budget is understanding the power of perception. People often associate certain qualities with wealth and sophistication. Think well-fitting clothes, high-quality fabrics, and attention to detail. By incorporating these elements into your wardrobe, you can create the illusion of luxury without breaking the bank. Mastering the basics. Building a strong foundation. This is the first step towards creating a wardrobe that exudes confidence and style. It's not just about having clothes, it's about having the right clothes that form the backbone of your personal style. A polished look starts with a solid foundation. Think of it as the base of a house. Without a strong base, the house cannot stand tall. Similarly, without the right foundational pieces, your wardrobe cannot truly shine. Invest in timeless wardrobe staples that will never go out of style. A classic white t-shirt, for instance, is incredibly versatile. It can be paired with almost anything from jeans to skirts and can be dressed up with a blazer or dressed down with a pair of shorts. A well-fitting pair of jeans is another essential. The right pair of jeans can take you from a casual day out to a night on the town. Look for a fit that flatters your body shape and a wash that complements your style. A black blazer is a must-have. It's the epitome of sophistication and can instantly elevate any outfit. Whether you're heading to a business meeting or a dinner date, A black blazer adds a touch of elegance and professionalism. Look for quality fabrics and classic cuts that you can dress up or down. Quality fabrics not only look better but also last longer, making them a worthwhile investment. Classic cuts ensure that your pieces remain stylish year after year, regardless of changing fashion trends. Accessories also play a crucial role in building a strong foundation. Simple, elegant pieces like a silk scarf or a pair of pearl earrings can add a touch of sophistication to any outfit. They are the finishing touches that complete your look. Organizing your wardrobe is equally important. A well-organized wardrobe makes it easier to see what you have and put together outfits quickly. It also helps you identify any gaps in your wardrobe that need to be filled. When shopping for clothes, always keep your foundational pieces in mind. They should be the first items you look for, as they will form the basis of your wardrobe. Once you have these essentials, you can start adding more trendy or seasonal pieces to your collection. Building a strong foundation in your wardrobe gives you the confidence to step out in style every day. It ensures that you always have something to wear no matter the occasion. So take the time to invest in these key pieces and build a wardrobe that truly reflects your personal style. The art of accessorizing, elevating your look. Accessories are your secret weapon when it comes to looking expensive on a budget. A statement necklace, a chic scarf, or a great pair of earrings can instantly elevate a simple outfit. Don't be afraid to experiment with different textures, colors, and styles to find what works for you. Transformation on a budget. Before and after inspiration. Let's look at some examples. Imagine a simple outfit, a plain white t-shirt and jeans. Now, add a tailored blazer, a colorful scarf, and some statement earrings. The difference is remarkable. Little changes, big impact, small tweaks, major upgrades. Remember, it's often the small details that make the biggest difference. Pay attention to the fit of your clothes. Make sure they're tailored and flattering to your body type. Accessorize thoughtfully, choosing pieces that complement your outfit. These small tweaks can have a major impact on your overall look. Unlock your inner stylist. Confidence is key. Perhaps the most important element of looking expensive is confidence. When you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. Experiment with different styles, find what flatters you, and own your look. Confidence is the ultimate accessory. Share the style revolution. Spread the word. Looking expensive on a budget is achievable for everyone. Share these tips with your friends and family. Help them unlock their own sense of style and show the world that you don't need a fortune to look fabulous. Conclusion: looking like a million without spending a fortune. Remember, looking expensive isn't about the price tag, it's about the overall impression you create. By mastering the basics, paying attention to detail, and exuding confidence, you can achieve a million-dollar look without spending a fortune. So go ahead, embrace your inner stylist, and show the world that style has no price limit.